Standard 9. Welcome back in lecture number 3. Exercise 1.2. Question 1. This question we have done in standard 8. But still I will consider this. Find all angles. Solution. If this is 85, then this is also 85. Because these are the corresponding angles. What is corresponding angle? I will tell you. Here this is above on the right side. This is also above and on the right side. So these two are the friend angles. Means they are called as corresponding angles. So here in this case, this angle is DHP. This angle is HGS. So these two angles should be equal. So those are the corresponding angles. So angle, this I want. What is the name of this? HGS. Or you can say DGS. It is one and the same. Angle HGS is equal to angle DHP. And the reason is corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles. I will use the shortcut angles. Therefore, angle HGS is equal to DHP. DHP is 85 degrees. So I will write here 85 degrees. This is my one answer. Okay. Now this I have got, this is 85 degree. Now what about this? See this, they are alternate angles. One here and one here. Exactly alternate. Means on the opposite sides of the transversal, one is below this, this is above this. Such an angle is called as the alternate angle. So this angle would be also 85 degree. This angle you would have seen from this also. Because this is vertically opposite angle. That way also you would have done. Okay. So angle, this is the name is HGS. This angle I have to find. I will take this name RHG. RHG is equal to angle DHP. I will say DHP. Reason vertically opposite angles. VOA. Vertically opposite angles. Means like this. Like the scissors. One is on that side, another is in this side. See this, this is a scissor. Here and here. Those are known as the vertically opposite angles. Therefore, angle RHG is equal to 85 degrees. This is also more. Now for this also, this and this is vertically opposite angles. So you can find this. Now how to find this? This I will teach you. And then from this you can find this. If you know this, you know this, because they are corresponding angles. Only I will find out this. Angle SGK. SGK. I have modified the question. Plus this angle. Plus this angle. What is this? HGS. HGS is equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair angles, LPA, linear pair angles. See this, this is a line. On this angle and this angle, see this way. This is a line on these two angles. So the measure of this line is 180 degree. So sum of these two will be 180 degree. That is known as the LPA. Now, HGK, angle SGK plus angle HGS. HGS is how much? It is 85 degree. Is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle SGK is equal to 180 degree minus 85 degree. So that is equal to 95 degree. Therefore, angle SGK is equal to 95 degree. Hope that you have understood this. So this is 95 degree. As this and this is vertically opposite, this will be also 95 degree. Give the proper reason. Now this is 95. So this will be how much? This will be 95 because corresponding angles. Now this and this too have linear pair. Or this and this is corresponding angle. This is 95. So this is also 95. So all the angles, this 85. So this will be also 85 degree. All the 8 angles you can find. I have taught you in standard 8. Okay, here we will stop with this question and go for the next question. These are very important questions, generally asked in all the schools for examination. Not only in our school, means BMS, but in other schools also it is important question. Question 2. From figure, find angle A, angle B and angle C, and the figure is given like this. This line is P, this line is Q, this is one transversal, and this is another transversal. P and Q are parallel lines. If P, line P parallel line Q, I am using the shortcut. This is 115. This is 110. The figure is not proper. D. This angle is B. This angle is C. Now see this. These two are the parallel lines and this is their transversal. So this angle and this angle are corresponding angles. See like this. This is that. This is 115 degree. This is C angle. This is above. This is also above. On the same side. So these are the two parallel lines. So angle C is equal to 115 degree. Reason is corresponding angles. Now the sum of these two will be 180 degree because see this is a line. So angle D plus 115 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle D equal to 180 degree minus 115 degree. So this is equal to 10 minus 5 is 5, 1, 2, 8 minus 2 is 6 and 1, 1, 0. So angle D is equal to 65 degree. So this 115 degree, this is 65 degree. Now for angle B I have to search what is this. So if this is 110, so this will be 70 and B will be 70. Why? These two are the parallel lines. This and this will be, this I will say X. X plus 110. These are the interior angles. Interior angle means, see this. This line parallel line. This line. This angle and this angle, they are inside on the same side. They are called as the interior angle. And sum of the interior angles is 180 degree. So hope that you have understood this. So angle X plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle X equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. Therefore angle X equal to 70 degree. Therefore angle B equal to angle X. Why? vertically opposite angles. Therefore, angle B equal to x is how much? 70 degree. So this will be 70 degree. So this way, this second number question is also over. Hope that you have understood this well. The question number 3 is also on the similar base. That I will leave it for you. The question number 1 we have solved on that base. There is question number 3rd. So the remaining questions are somewhat bigger questions. So that I will do in the separate video. 3, 4, 5. No. Question number 4. Question 4. This is x, this is y, this is z. This is what angle. And to it there is another angle. The sides are parallel. This is P, Q, R. So prove that. What is to prove? TPT. TPT talk is to prove that angle PQR is congruent angle XYZ. This we have to prove. So how we can prove is, see that these two are the parallels. So I will extend this like this. So this will be the two parallel lines. If this is also parallel, so I will go like this. So this angle and this angle is same. Why? Because see this, these two are the parallel lines and this is the transversal. XY is the transversal. So this angle and this angle is the corresponding angle. Corresponding angles are congruent. Okay. So proof. Extend. This is our construction. Extend XY and another ZY. You say line. Okay. Now, line YZ parallel line QR. Why? It is given. And XY is the transversal. Hope that you understand this. So if this is the transversal, I will give this point name as D. Therefore, angle XYZ congruent angle, see this angle YDR or XDR, angle XDR. Reason is corresponding angles. All of a sudden the light has gone. You just adjust this. How this video will be, I don't understand. Corresponding angles. This is number 1. Now, this is a parallel to this. So, again, parallel line QR. And see this. No, now we are considering this PQ. PQ parallel XD. XD or XY. And which is the transversal? See that I want the relation of this. So these two are parallel and this is the transversal. This I will take. And QR is the transversal. I am working on the emergency light. Therefore, now see this. These two are the parallel. This is the transversal. So this angle and this angle will be corresponding angle. Therefore, angle PQR congruent angle XDR. Reason is curve angles. Curve angles means corresponding angles, and this is number 2. Now see this. This is also HDR. This is also HDR. So these are equal. So these are also equal. Therefore, angle PQR congruent angle XYZ from 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So this is all in this video. The reason is light is not there. So I am just seeing it. Just check it whether you can see it. It may be having a flash on the board. Just adjust with this video.